Now, after you learned ArrayList, now it's time to introduce you to Java Iterator object. Iterator, and so on. First of all, I'm placing a comment. Java Iterator is an object that can be used to loop through collections like ArrayList and hash set. Now I'm gonna be placing explanation. Scenario loop through ArrayList collection. And lesson objective. Learn to use Java Iterator. Learn to use Java Iterator. Now, I'd like to copy quickly ArrayList already existing here. Here I'll quickly place it. I'll quickly rerun it. Good. Now I'm gonna be creating an iterating object. Instance or copy. Create iterator instance or copy. For that, iterator string, data type was string. Let's call variable name iterator. It's gonna be taken from cars, from ArrayList cars, period, and choose this one, iterator. Now we need to import iterator object. Probably wrong one. Import iterator from Java utilities. Make sure you choose the right one. Here we go. Here it is from Java utilities package. And now print first item. It's gonna be like that. No. Print display first array list item. For that, gonna be doing next this object period next method. Let's execute it. First item was Honda. Let's change for Mercedes. Rerun. Very good. Now it's time to loop through collection using iterator. Use iterator instance to loop through array collection. Using while loop. While object iterator instance has next, we're gonna be printing iterator next. Clear, rerun. Exactly as expected. Once again, I'm showing you. Create iterator instance, iterator instance itself, ITR, and ArrayList iterator object. Now, first of all, I'd like to show here how simply display first one. And second, now you were using iterator, and while iterator has next, simply print out whatever it is. Rerun. Very good. Displaying first item, and now we're looping through array collection. Right here. See you in the next lecture.